Just like the pictures, you know?
What do you mean? This doesn't look anything like the pictures.
I wanna compete this twin turbo. You buy the car or not? You keep bullshit.
What's going on, you guys? Today we're gonna be trying to purchase a project car. The guy told me to meet him here. It's this industrial place. I mean, at least it's well lit. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Actually, I think he's pulling up right now. What the heck? Hey, what's up, man? I'm here from Facebook. I'm trying to buy the car, right?
Oh yeah. Here she is, man. Just like the pictures, you know.
What do you mean? This doesn't look anything like the pictures.
Yo, whoa, what's on the camera, bro? For real?
Bro, you.
That's hot, bro.
What, with the camera?
Shut the fucking camera, bro. Blur my face.
You literally have a mask on.
Blur my eyes if I care. I'll drive away. How about that? I get out of it. Fuck.
All right, man. I'll blur your eyes. I'll blur your eyes. It's all right. It's all right. So, dude, are you selling the car or not?
Fuck, we out here for wasting my damn time. Yes, I'm selling the car.
All right, man. I'm gonna be honest, dude. The car is in horrible shape. I mean, what the heck happened up front?
First of all, it's exactly how it was in the picture. Maybe I was whipping. Maybe I had a shorty with me. Maybe she was going crazy. Yeah, she little rose a little wet. Had to walk in me. Fucking. Whoop, whoop. You know, my bad. And like, you know how it is, bro. Like, yeah, it's a pot, hit a pothole, you know what I mean? And it like popped me up, swerved like a little fishtail. You know, I didn't know I started controlling that shit. Bitch was still going crazy, don't forget. Controlling that shit, she got up for a minute, but like, yo.
So you spun out?
I don't know the fuck you're talking about. Maybe you spin out.
Okay, all right, man. Whatever you say, whatever you say.
I don't spin out, blood. I don't even know this girl for real. Could have been any of them for all I know. I just came out one morning, it was like this. It could have been the big one, you know, they got the torta. Could have been a baby mama. That one, she don't play around, honestly.
What the heck?
Fuck, it probably her. She don't play around. Fuck! It was that? Fuck! Could have been my auntie too.
Well, if the car is in this condition, then I really think the price should reflect it.
I don't know what you're talking about in this condition. I'm talking grandma driven. I'm talking oil change. I did them once a month. They say to like the 15 miles, the 1,000 miles. I don't listen to that shit. I'm on it. Speaking of on it, wait till you see under the hood. Bro, how you, hold on 1 minute. All right, so you already know I got a V600. I wanna compete this twin turbo right here. So I copped it off the dealership, took it to the garage, told them I want 2 batteries, I want 2 alternators, cause I ain't ever getting caught lacking. One can go down, I'm still up, I'm gone. You cannot pull up on me. You cut my brake lines, I got 2. You forgot the other one. But you like stupid, boy, you looking stupid. I make motherfuckers look stupid, we wasting time under the hood. Gold, you already know I put the nice rims on it, had to do that. Bro, I couldn't have, nah, none of you're tripping. Cause I'd be replacing these out, bro, you burn through the rims. You know, when you're spinning, you burn through the rims. Windshield wipers. But you got the hatchback, brother, you know the bitches love that. You know I couldn't stick with a factory shit. Bitches need to hear when I pull up. Their daddy, their mama need to know. I ain't texting no one I'm here. They gonna know I'm here. Alright, yeah, stop tripping, bro, come on. Check the inside, you ain't seen the inside yet. Yes, sir! What's up? You already know it's nice. We got the...
It smells like weed in here.
And yours don't? Smoke weed every day, all day. You know we stay right. Shit.
What happened to your shift knob?
Shorty a freak. Need I say more?
It looks like the airbag went off too.
Oh, you know, bro. I fuck it. I'll let you hear something, bro. Fuck.
Okay.
Yeah, they like that. They like that.
Okay. I think you gotta...
Yeah, torta. Yeah? Yeah. So you trying to buy this or what, man?
Okay, yeah, I mean...
Come on, man. Where you going? Where you going?
Hold on, we can talk out here, I mean...
Yeah, get out of here. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you something. You know, get back or get smacked. Yeah, get back. Hold on. Look, man. Oh, shit. Yo, you ain't see that.
Is he gonna spin it? And he stalled out.
What'd you think?
What did you do exactly?
Yeah, did you blink or something?
You were kind of
I was kind of spinning that shit. Yeah, twin.
And I just thought donuts, the wheels are supposed to be spinning, and then you.
Bob, you buy the car or not? You keep bullshit
All
with
right,
me?
all right. Yeah, here, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
You gonna buy the car or not?
Yeah.
Man, shit.
I'm gonna be honest, man. I can probably give you
Like 20 to 30, 25, 10, 5, 3. Oh, 3, you gonna bump my.
How does 3 sound?
Shit. Fuck it. Fed's too hot. 3 a dip.
3? Okay, all right, 3. Bet. Hey, man. There's 3. There's 3. What the fuck was that? Well, I guess I'm the owner now of this thing. I feel like I got a really good deal though. I think it's time to introduce you guys to the new car in my fleet. This is my Nissan 370Z. It's not really a part of the fleet because I'm actually just using it for parts. But I have a problem with keeping cars, especially cars that aren't running. Anyway, here it is. Had a little fender bender in the front. It's not too bad. It's a 370Z Vert. So you already know this one comes with the Nissan HR motor. It's a little bit faster than the VQ35. It's also a little bit newer. Full interior. Yeah, this car's actually in really good shape, and I feel like I got a pretty decent deal on it. Now, I've never had a car that has one of these too, so this is pretty interesting. I was looking for the key, but clutch in. Holy cow, this car is loud. The dash is pretty cool on it. Okay, so this one doesn't have oil pressure. It just does coolant temp, battery, and time. This is a pretty cool car. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh yeah. Too bad this will be the last time that this thing runs. And that's it. That's the last time this car will run. Until that full engine and all of its goodness is in the drift truck. I know, horrible, right? I'm taking apart this beautiful, perfect car and putting it into that big hunk of shit. Pretty excited about this. So I think the first thing I'll start to do is gonna be to take down the front end and start labeling the wiring harness, because I'm gonna need to use all of that. Basically, I'm gonna be using everything from this car. I'm gonna be using the engine, the harness, the battery, the ECU, the transmission, the drive shaft. I think what I need to do is I need to start tearing this thing down and basically getting it ready to swap in.